Hey everybody, I'm at the Jim Crow Museum of Racist Memorabilia. It's at Ferris State University in Michigan. I've kind of wanted to come here for a long time. This is a museum that was created by a guy named David Pilgrim. He's a sociology professor here, and he had a collection of 2,000 artifacts of racist memorabilia. I think he started with one thing and it built, and now he has a museum. I kind of wanted to come here just to kind of see some things that I didn't grow up experiencing that my mom, dad, and my grandparents and uncles and aunts were familiar with. I knew nothing, you know, from direct experience about Jim Crow or a lot of the other things that were going on. And I just kind of want to become a part of that and see how I feel about it. So let's go. It's wild. They blindfolded them and had them fight for money. They didn't want Obama to be president. It's not like I didn't know this sort of stuff was going on, but just seeing it up close, I didn't grow up with a lot of this a part of, a lot of this memorabilia part of my culture. Check this out. Can you imagine going places and seeing stuff like that and just know you weren't wanted? What does a child feel about that sort of thing? Growing up with that a part of their psyche. And then raising their children. That's why things like this are still important now. It explains why we came to where we are. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a book called Little Brown Cocoa. I actually found that book in New England at an antique store. If you want me to read a story out of there in the comments, let me know. It's pretty damn racist. If you can't read that, it says alligator bait. Bunch of babies. Who said that? Really? So, imagine going to a community meeting and seeing this. Actual chains that were attached to slaves. Come on, chain. Can you imagine living like that? Let me know in the comments what you think about what you've seen. I mean, but just seeing this up close and personal, how do you feel? What's your opinion? You know, I think this is important and a great thing that this guy did to put this stuff together to remind us of, you know, where we've come from and what we need to do. And again, this represents hate. You just gotta love more. Everybody, white, black, tall, short, gay, straight, whatever. You know, you just gotta respect your fellow human beings as humans. Recognize that we're all related. That's what's important. Only thing I have to say after coming out of that place is just love more. I mean, there's all kinds of hate, you know. We don't always have to identify it. I just thought this museum was pretty interesting, but you know, the only way to counter hate is love. It's not with more hate, it's not with aggression, it's not with violence, it's not with hitting somebody on top of the head. It's just love and understanding and patience. And you know, that's really the harder thing to do, I think. And there's some primitive nature that makes us want to be violent and to lash out, and sometimes, you know, in self-defense you have to do that. But in the meantime, you know, when you can love, you gotta love. You know, you can't help but look at this and sort of get a negative feeling, but at the same time, you know, it's just a reminder. That's what this museum is about, and it's just a reminder to love more. You know, I hope to show you guys some more profound things like this. You know, I hope to show you more things that will make us think, you know, in the future. If you're interested in that sort of thing, subscribe to my channel. If this made you think, give me a thumbs up on the video just to let me know you liked it, and let YouTube know that, you know, there are people out here who want to see the things that I'm showing. Anyway, I love you all. Remember to love, and I'll see you in the next adventure.